Hey everybody, this week we are in zone 4 of our Flylady challenge, and that is my master bedroom and my master closet. And as you can see, I don't have too much clutter on the outside of my bedroom, but as you'll see as we go along, there is plenty of decluttering that needs to happen behind closed doors. We're going to start in our armoire, and the top portion of this is where I keep all of my workout clothes. So here I'm just taking everything out and dusting it down. And yes, it used to be our TV cabinet. That's why the hole in the wood is in the back. I have the plastic shoe bins that I like to use for some of my workout clothes. Here I'm just rolling up my tank tops to put them back into my plastic bin. In a few minutes you'll see where I decided that I didn't want to roll them. I just folded them and put them in like the file system, which worked a lot better. And as I'm going through and organizing, I am also seeing things that I do not want anymore, and I'm starting a pile that you'll see there on the bed of things that I'm going to get rid of. And in this armoire, I share this space with my husband, and I will not, during the zone cleaning this week, be going through his things. He likes to go through his own and get rid of things that, he's no longer using. And just like that, it's done. And what a great feeling. And look at all the things that I was able to get rid of just from that one cabinet. And on this day, I went through my dresser drawers, and just like the armoire, I share the space with my husband, so I only have a couple drawers in this that I needed to go through. And in all honesty, this night I really wasn't feeling like doing anything, and I had committed to just 15 minutes to do a task from the zone cleaning, and I was able to do this dresser clean out, and I worked and cleaned out my jewelry armoire that you'll see here in a minute. And here's my jewelry armoire I was talking about. It hangs over our door in our bedroom. And just like in the dresser drawers, I just went through everything, kind of made sure that I had the pairs for all my earrings. Then I went down to the bracelets just to see if there was anything that I wanted to get rid of. I'm just giving it a really good wipe down, and I also cleaned the back of my door, and I used my vinegar, water, and Thieves essential oil mix. And here's everything that I got rid of from my dresser and my jewelry armoire. And this is Friday, and today I cleaned our bedroom windows. We have 4 total in our bedroom. And I'm using the same cleaner, the vinegar, water, and Thieves essential oil in a spray bottle. And I like to use the blue automotive rags that you get in the automotive section of like Walmart and Target. They work really, really good as far as not being leaving lint on the mirrors or windows, and they hold up really well. And look at that dirt on the windowsills. It's amazing how much it collects on those windowsills. And to wipe down the windowsill, I used Pine Sol and reused the blue rag that I used when I was cleaning the window. And for my blinds, I'm using a microfiber rag along with some fabric softener and water in a spray bottle. I think I saw and heard that on Sophia's My Great Challenge channel once before. It's supposed to help with keeping the dust down on, you can wipe your baseboards, and I just decided to do my blinds. So we'll see how that goes. Also, while I was cleaning my windows and blinds, I did take the curtains down and washed those as well. And this is Saturday morning. I am dusting down all the walls around the windows, and above that trim area, it collects dust up there also. And I also did my ceiling fan. And for this task, I am using my duster. I got that at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I think it's by the brand OXO. It works really, really good collecting all the dust, and you just put that little red pad right in the washing machine. I let mine air dry, and it comes clean every time. Look at all that dust I collected. Okay, now we're moving into my closet. And as I was looking and going through my closet, I decided that I am going to do a whole separate declutter and reorganization of my closet on our organization series that my daughter and I have. So stay tuned for that. We do have a couple videos that we've already filmed and recorded for that, so I'll link those below. I did go through my shoes and boots while in this zone, so that feels really good to get that done, and it didn't take long at all. And as you can see, I keep my sandals and flip-flops in this leather tote on the shelf. And here's the after. And look at all the shoes and boots I got rid of. Again, it feels so good to be getting rid of items that I am no longer using. And here's everything that I've collected out of Zone 4 that I will be getting rid of. And here I am dusting down the furniture for the final cleaning in my Zone 4. Here's a really neat trick. Get a lint roller and roll it on the back of those picture frames that have the velvet. It gets rid of all that dust. The more and more I do the zone cleaning, I'm really liking this way of cleaning now that I don't put so much stress on myself about everything on that list being done, say, this month. So I'm really excited to see how it plays out in the next couple months as to how efficient and quick I can get through all the tasks that are listed on the Flylady's zones. And here's my cleaned Zone 4. It really does feel good. And I'd like to thank Sophia at My Great Challenge again for putting this challenge on. I'll have her channel and the playlist listed below. And I hope this motivates you to try the Zone Lady way of cleaning. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for stopping by.